Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find random live videos on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application. Okay, so once you open Instagram, you simply need to swipe and let me swipe again. And you need to go live like this. Okay, it is now checking my connection. And now you can share that video with any of your friends. So click on that and send. So I already sent it. Then you simply need to end the video. Click on discard media, click on discard. Then you simply need to click on the messenger icon in the top and open conversation with friend. And then you simply need to click on watch live video in the bottom. But as you can see that this video is ended, you can see other live now. So click on see all and you can see different lives like this. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.